Hello, and welcome to another FreeCAD short tutorial video. Today, we're going to learn how to use the horizontal constraint in the Sketcher workbench. This feature is essential for aligning your sketches precisely and ensuring your designs are accurate. The horizontal constraint is a feature in the Sketcher workbench that ensures lines or pairs of points are aligned horizontally. When you apply this constraint to a line, it forces the line to be parallel to the horizontal axis of the sketch. Similarly, if you apply it to 2 points, it ensures that these points share the same y-coordinate, effectively making them horizontally aligned. This constraint is particularly useful for creating precise and symmetrical designs, as it helps maintain consistent alignment and structure in your sketches. Now let's get started. First, open FreeCAD and create a new document. Navigate to the Sketcher workbench by selecting it from the Workbench drop-down menu. Click on Create a New Sketch and choose the plane you want to work on, such as the XY plane. Next, draw a simple shape using the Line or Polyline tool. For this tutorial, let's draw a rectangle with Polyline tool by clicking on the tool icon. Now, let's apply the horizontal constraint. Select the line or lines you want to make horizontal. Click on the horizontal constraint tool icon in the toolbar. You'll see the selected line are now parallel to the horizontal axis, indicating that the constraint has been applied with a red horizontal line next to each line selected. If you need to adjust the constraint, simply click on the line again and drag it to your desired position. The line will remain horizontal as you move it. And that's it. You've successfully applied a horizontal constraint in FreeCAD. This tool is incredibly useful for creating precise and professional designs. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more FreeCAD tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.